Hello everyone, we are back with another question in the most repeated questions of SAT series. So here, this is the question, higher degree polynomial question it is. Function is given, the function f is defined by the given equation where a, b, c are integer constants in the xy plane. The graph of y equals to f of x passes through the point 4, 0 and 0, 24. We have to find out the value of 4a plus b. So for that we must know what is a and what is b. Always remember, whenever a function is given or equation is given, 2 points are satisfying that equation, blindly just your first step should be to plug in the values. So what are you going to do? Let me write down the function. It is f of x equals to x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c in the radical, right? So what I'm going to do, first I'll take the point 4, 0. So in that case, I'll put x equals to 4 and y equals to 0. So it is going to be 0, 4 cube plus a times 4 square plus b times 4 plus c in the radical only. Now after solving this 4 cube and all these things, so it is going to be, let's say, let me do it step by step. 4 cube is 64 plus what is this, 16a plus 4b plus c equals to 0. So can I write 16a plus 4b plus c equals to negative 64? This is my equation 1. Similarly, you will use the second point and satisfy the equation. So the second point is 0, 24, wherein you have to put x equals to 0 where y equals to 24. So you have the value. This is so easy. Instead of y, you will just write 24, and wherever you see x, you will write 0. So all these three terms will be 0, right? So I can simply write 0 plus 0 plus 0, or you can just understand by looking at this equation that only this constant will be remaining, rest all will become 0 in the radical. So can I write c in the radical equals to 24? So if I, radical is nothing but 1 by 2 here. So if I transpose it to the other side, it will get reciprocated, or we can say the square root converts into square. So I can write the value of c as 24 times 24 or 24 square, which is equals to 576. I got the value of c. Now what about a and b? I'll plug in the value. But how? Simply what you have to do, you got this equation, the equation which is written here, the equation number 1, you'll plug in the value of c in this equation. So you will get the equation in terms of a and b, and you can directly find out the value of a and b. Let me tell you how. So let me rewrite it. 16a plus 4b plus 576 equals to negative 64. Now you don't need to solve it manually. What you will do, you know it's an equation. It's a linear equation in two variable, and you can easily use desmos to solve these kind of questions. So what I'll do, I'll open desmos and I'll try to solve it. I hope you know how to use desmos. What are you going to do? You will simply open desmos. You will plug in the value, but instead of a and b, write x and y. So your equation for desmos would be 16x plus 4y plus 576 equals to negative 64. You don't even have to solve the constants. Put it like that. Okay, I'm giving you the homework. Do it by yourself. Put it on desmos and make sure that you're getting these 2 points of intersections. First point will be negative 40, 0, and the other point will be 0, negative 160. Now you can take any value of x and y. It is not important that if you take the value, if you consider point for negative 40, 0, or you consider 0, negative 160, you'll get the different answer. You'll end up getting the same answer. You can take anything, and you remember you have to find out the value of 4a plus b in the question. If you forgot, let me remind you. It is written right here. Okay. So you got the values of x and y. In short, you got the values of a and b. Okay, so let's say this is a, this is b. So I can directly put 4 times negative 40 plus 0, which is equal to nothing but negative 160. So the answer will be negative 160. Do it, put it on desmos. I know desmos is pretty easy for you. Put it on desmos, check the intersection point. You will get the two intersection points. And if you're not getting it, do let me know in the comment section. I will continue with this question in the next series, in the part 3 of the third question. But do let me know before that. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.